Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining EIP Editing Office Hour Meeting 11. We have quite a few pull requests added in the agenda for discussion today. Sam, if you would like to screen share, we can probably start with the first item listed here. That is, oh, I'm so sorry. So we do have author for proposal 6381. Pull request number is 6381. That is for the draft. That's correct. Thank you. I'm not sure.
Sorry, I was muted there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I was about to say, I'm not sure I can hear you, Sam. Thank you. Yeah.
All right. Hey, thanks for coming out. Do you have any specific questions for this, or is it you just want somebody to look at it?
No specific questions.
Right. So I'll just give this a quick read here. Okay. So I think your abstract is a little light. It is short, which is good. I might add a little bit about like how, like our, let's see. So they are just okay. So the emotes aren't actually stored as another NFT. They're just a property. Interesting. Okay. Okay, that seems very reasonable. This I think has the wrong EIP number. Or is that the right EIP number?
No, that's another EIP we worked on. We'll fix. Thanks.
Okay. Let's see. Immutable extension for non-fungible tokens extends EIP 721. So you could make it a bit more general if you also supported 1155. It's not a requirement, obviously, but it might be nice to think about because a lot of newer NFTs are using that standard.
Yes, I don't think it has any issue supporting it, but it's just not required. But so how should we approach this? Like where should
Yeah.
we mention it?
So you could say something like the immutable extension for non-fungible tokens extends standard non-fungible token contracts like EIP 721, EIP 1155 by allowing NFTs to be emoted at. And then would they have different interfaces, or would you have the same interface for them? I think you'd probably need different interfaces. Yeah, so then you just make two interfaces for them, and yeah.
Yeah, we probably need an extra parameter there.
Yeah. So you could do it as two separate EIPs. You could just do 721, whatever you like. It's not a requirement.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Okay, just bytes 4. So does it actually enforce it to be a valid Unicode character, or does it just let it be any 4 bytes?
No, it would be any.
Okay.
I mean, you could have. This opens the possibility for some implementation to have custom emotes, but of course only them would understand them. But yeah, we wanted to leave that door
Yeah,
open.
that makes sense. Okay. And then really small nitpick, I think 721 uses the like property of naming convention, so it's like owner of whatever. So instead of get emote count, you might want to do emote count of. Again, really, you
Yeah,
don't need to.
I like it. I like it.
Okay, good. Your rationale. Okay, the impressions can be. Yep, that looks good. Backwards compatibility. Yep. Tests look good. So your interface name here doesn't match the one used in the reference.
Yeah. Yeah, we will fix that. Thanks.
Oh, no problem. That's what I'm here for. Okay. Immutable. Good. Okay. And then do you have... Okay, that looks good. Okay. So you should...
So yeah, we've had some issues with this on the other EIPs
Okay.
because I mean
I
we
mean,
need
this one's small. I'm reasonably okay with keeping it.
yeah, but we also need the package in order to be able to run the tests.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
we try to keep it minimal. Like this is really
No, this is fine. I'm mostly worried about package lock.json. This one's okay. So if you want to keep
okay.
it, go for it. All right. No, that's great. I'll once it's all done, I'll take another look at it, and it should be good to merge as a draft.
Awesome. Thanks, Sam.
No problem.
Next one should be more fun.
No, not another soulbound token. This is the one you're talking about?
Yeah. Oh, we have a typo there. Salt bound. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we got
So
going.
before you go on it, well, it should be there, but we are aware that there are a few proposals, two of them even in final, but they are really not minimalistic because they include events. And well, we explain here why we consider that limiting for many implementations.
All right. Yeah, you've got sold bound a few times here.
Yeah.
By putting it. Okay. Specification 6454. So this is just tied like literally to 721, I guess, or whatever token standard you want, and then it just says yes if it's soulbound and no if it's not. That
Yep.
is that is definitely minimal.
Yeah. It's as simple as that. It allows for wide range of implementations.
Okay. So okay. So I guess one thing I'd like to see answered, and this is, not require. This is just something I'd be interested in seeing is why have the is soulbound a method at all? Like why? So why do you even need this standard if all you're doing is making the transfer functions for 721 fail? Like, can't you just tell if it's soulbound by trying to transfer it?
Yeah, that would be annoying and
Yeah,
spend
yeah.
gas, but we can. But
Well, you
I
can do it
think
off
that's
chain,
the
right?
main reason. Sorry.
Oh, yeah. I guess you can't do it off chain if you want to know in the contract. Yeah, I guess that makes sense.
Yeah, but we will add that to the rationale.
That's probably the only comment I'm gonna have to make on here. Yeah, I mean, seems fine to me. Very simple. Nice. So, motivation, specification. So you don't actually say in here. I guess you say it in the comments here. This function returns due to the transfer of the token must revert execution. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's there. So yeah, this looks good. I'll approve it. Just make sure you fix that one immutable in the backwards compatibility section. Otherwise,
Yep,
it
and
looks
the
fine.
typos.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Thanks for your time as
No problem.
always, Sam.
All right, so let's go back over here. Unless we have another author on here, I haven't checked chat yet.
Yeah, right. So there are first two proposals. They have been requested by different authors, but unfortunately they are not in the call. But yeah, we can go through them.
Okay, which ones are those? Is that 15?
So the one on the screen, yeah.
Okay. So what are we looking at here? Okay, so it's just pulling it out of stagnant. That's fine. It's just changing the status from what the previous one was. Let's find out. Eventually. So it was in draft before. So we're coming out of draft and going into review. So let's give this a read. Okay. The following standardizes an API for directories and files. Oh, it's this one. Okay, so what traditional file systems. Standard provides basic functionality to read, write binary objects of any size. Okay, seems good. That's fine. I think these need to be indented one more. Yeah. Okay. Writes binary data to the okay, function write, function read, fallback. Okay, name and existence of the chunk. Okay. I think that's otherwise fine. All right, so that's an easy one. And then 6147. What are we doing here? So we're moving to review. This is not expanding. Come on. Fine. Guard of NFT SPT and extension of 721. Okay. Wallets, connect to lending. Okay. Okay, adding some spaces. That's fine. Looks good. Looks good. Naming. Okay. Yeah, it seems reasonable. All right.
Then we have 2 from stagnant. Yeah.
All right. Actually, one thing I need to do on this one before. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask, by the way. Like, this is supposed to be more of a, I don't want to just sit here, like, scrolling through text for an hour. Any kind of discussion we can have is good. um, all right, so do we have a, no, we don't. Okay. So, just going to grab a reviewer here and we'll add them to this. Big list.
So reviewer allocation, is it still done by you, or the proposer can also propose a reviewer?
Oh, the proposer should absolutely propose their own reviewers. I just pick somebody randomly from a list I have in a HackMD. It seems to work. I think I don't know, maybe about a quarter of the time the volunteer actually replies and gives some useful feedback. So I think that's doing pretty well so far.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I mean, if we are getting responses, that's what matters.
Yeah. All right, so put this here. And who are we gonna? So this is an NFT related one. We don't have a lot of NFT reviewers. If anybody wants to like help peer review NFT stuff, there's no like, expectation of doing any work. But if you want to, let me know. I'll put you on the list.
I'll maybe check with some of the authors we have on PPNE, because we do have some NFT related proposals in that series, so we can check with them.
That'd be great. Yeah. All right. So out of the 4 people we have, we're gonna reuse Thunder Deliverer because we reviewed one of their EIPs earlier. So this is the price you have to pay. 6147, 6147, 6147. Username. And username. And we update this. What's today's date? It's February 7th. All right. Cool. So, close that. And close that. Actually, I don't think I could close that. Yeah, okay. Just hasn't updated on here.
I don't understand that. Like, we have been trying. Okay, yeah, it just moved a few days ago to stagnant.
Yeah. So what was in the previous? So when it moved to stagnant, it was in review. So totally fine just to approve this. Okay. Down under the validator passes. Okay, so that looks good. 1328.
It would be good to see 1328 moving towards final, right?
Yeah, I mean, if it's in use, they might as well.
Yeah.
All right, so what do we got going on here? So okay, so this one's just waiting on the
Yeah,
other
this
one.
is a good
Yeah.
proposal again. I don't know why it's going in stagnant. They should also move forward because now we have a lot of implementation. Even KGZ ceremony also has sign-in with Ethereum.
Yeah, exactly. Like stagnant to review. That's fun. So wait, 1328? Is that literally the one I was just looking at? Am I
Yes.
1328? So what does this depend on 1328? Specification. I don't actually know why.
Maybe connecting for with wallet.
Yeah. Here, let's do. No, I don't want the diff. 1328. That's weird. Actually, can I just edit this file? I can. That'll make this much easier.
Shouldn't it provide different interface for connection, like maybe MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and all
Yeah,
other?
I mean, I don't think sign in with Ethereum makes any statements about that, right? That I don't think they.
Yeah, I get it. Mhm.
Yeah. So I think that's the only thing I need to change on here. Then we can just wait for all of this to finish. Oh yeah, that happens all the time. Jen, it's somewhat annoying. Okay, what did I break now? Okay, I didn't. We're just waiting on 634. Yeah, so okay. So we'll leave that, and then there's one about ENS somewhere in here. 634. Yeah. Okay. So EIP 634 is probably stagnant. Stagnant. All right. So back to 6454 for a second. 54. All right, what do we got? Major changes, clear the review. Yeah, okay. Typo. Do I have this one? Perfect. So bound, 6454. Good. Seems good to me.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. Sorry this process is so slow sometimes.
No problem at all. I
Uh,
get it. It's a lot of proposals.
Okay. So we're updating to review status. Let's see. Let's make sure everything is. Why is this button not working today? It's like my favorite button in GitHub. Okay. So if one increases compromise, okay. Protection. Oh, I remember this one from a while ago. This is like an optional way to protect people from withdrawing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we recently had a chat with the author, and I suggested that this proposal seems to be a good fit for review, not in draft, because this has already been implemented by some of the consensus layer client, and some are waiting that they would be implementing after the upgrade because it talks about a manual list created on GitHub. So, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So it looks like they have all the required sections. They're just moving to review, so we're going to approve it. And then from the big list of review, well, actually, let's see. This one probably has enough review if it's a semi-core thing. Let's see.
So there is this little bit of confusion of it being in core and interface because more of the consensus layer are not going into core. They chose to move via interface, so it becomes optional and not
Yeah.
propose any consensus changes.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, let's see. Do we have anybody who can review this? We have execution layer. Somebody who hasn't been pinged before. Nah, I think we're good for this. It's probably has enough eyes on it, so we'll just leave that. 447. So 6376. And didn't this merge? Ah. Does this just need to rerun? It probably just needs to rerun. So this is 6188. 6188. Oh, this is the self-destruct stuff? Yeah, okay. It's fine. So 6188, 6189. Yeah, okay, so same deal. So we'll just approve this one. There. So that should get everything merged eventually. All right, so what's wrong with this one? So this requires author approval. So that has Nothing to do with me. I mean, I guess I can put the label on it. There. 6188. I think we already did that one. Yep.
Sam, about the last one, 6359, it looks like the changes are done by the proposer, right? And what is missing here? Do we need approval from Pavel?
They're adding themselves, so they need to be approved by one of the old authors first before they'll count.
Okay, so it looks like Gumbo had reviewed it 2 weeks ago.
Yes,
but
something changed.
Explicit, yeah.
Yeah, so it got changed, so it needs a new approval.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay, I'll inform the team.
Yeah, I can put a comment on here.
Oh yeah, that would be great.
All right. All right. Yeah, like this needs to be done in a separate PR. This can't be merged until that's done. Okay, meta transaction token requires 20. In which meta transaction fees are directed directly from the users. Token transfer amount. That I think needs an S. Keeper incentives. Okay. Is this core or okay, motivation? Okay. In the abstract. Should be a terms technical summary. Okay. Sorry, did somebody say something?
Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah. I forgot to mute myself.
Oh,
Hi,
no worries.
I'm back.
Welcome back. Let's address all the comments. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Come on. My computer is literally falling apart today. There. Yeah, that looks great. Thanks.
Amazing. Thank you. See you in 2 weeks.
Yeah, talk to you then.
Bye.
Okay, to solve the existing issues with conservative approach to the mental limit the functionality result. Okay. Okay. Complete execution. Great. Okay, signatory keeper. Okay. Yeah, this is like very opaque to somebody who's not deep into meta transactions. I'm sure. Okay. So, so, okay, according to on-chain protocol. Additional options for transaction should be provided to claim staking rewards. All right. So this needs to be lowercase solidity. Request. Compute domain separator. Wait, domain separator. So that means this needs to require that's 712. Okay. Okay, then this needs to be a lowercase again. Okay, so what are these things? So is account used publicly anywhere? Account stripped, account, other account. Um, okay. Same deal. This needs to be lowercase. Okay, is this in the specification section still? Or are we in the... Yeah, we are. So, yeah. You're going to be able to...
It's a long one.
Yeah, it's a long one with a lot of comments. So this is okay. Motivation, not rationale. The rationale section should. Okay. Um, So got some tests here. Good. We have some stuff and some fixtures. What is trust minimized proxy? 1967. That doesn't seem like it's relevant for this. Maybe it is. I don't know. Call by signature. Counts, can request, struct. Actually, wait. Turn token. Okay, so what is this? Oh, this is from a different EIP. What? All right, so there's some comments on this one. Eventually.
Yeah, maybe we can take the last two. They are both are interdependent.
Okay.
6030 and 6031. Yeah.
Okay. 4938. So is there one moving? 40. Okay. That's what we need to find here. Actually, let's just check. EIP 4938. Are you in review? You're in draft.
Oh yeah, the other day we discovered there were 3, not 2.
Okay, so why? Oh, this is the same one? Yeah. So why isn't 4938 not moving to review?
Yeah, that is 67, right? EIP 67. Okay,
Yeah.
so
So-
that has to go before EIP 68.
Yeah, that makes sense to me. They can either remove the requirement on it, but yeah, it just needs to move that to review.
Okay, we'll ping Marius for this.
I mean, I can do it too. Like, it's not exactly a big like a big change, but they'll have to approve it anyways. So yeah, I guess ping them about it, and I guess shoot me a link when they put it up, and I can take care of it.
Okay.
All right. What's going on in this one? Okay. Okay. I don't think address is supposed to be capitalized there. Deposit free royalties. Okay. Good. 6145, 6145. The standardized social media networks, empty marketplaces, and other websites to deposit royalties associated with the address. The associated with the name. Um, Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in there that should be motivation. Royalty. So where is this external link that they're having trouble with? Eh, there aren't any. So what seems to be the problem here? Non-relative link or image. Oh, it needs to be. Okay. Please remove any. Um, okay. Okay. Backwards compatibility. Um, Okay. Good. Good. Wait, what? Rationale? No, that's right. Yeah, there's just nothing in the specification section. And specification is above ration. What is going on here? Continuous integration, validator. Wait, and those are the only two errors? That can't be right. Abstract motivation, specification, rationale. No, I guess it is correct. It's just they don't have anything in their specification section. All right. And that is all the time I have for today. So thank you for coming out, everybody, and we'll see you in 2 weeks.
Thank you, Sam. Thank you, everyone.